Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 24 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. Today we're going to look at how to create switch inside of Adobe XD. So to create a switch, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this shape right here, just like this, and I want to enable a turn on and off switch. So just drag this on like this. And then over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this in. You can see that it'll create a curve just like that. And over here, I'm going to select select this shape right here. So just drag it out, and then this will be the switch toggle that I'll have. So let me just resize this, and you can see that I have this. Alright, so over here in the side, let me just use it to change the switch color. So let me just resize the switch just like this. Alright, so resize this out over here just like that, and this is gonna be the switch. Alright, so it is quite easy to create the switch, as you can see. And over here in the background, what I want to do is I'm gonna fill it up with red color if the switch is on, and I'm gonna fill this up with white. Alright, so that is gonna be the on switch, just like that. And now I'm just going to copy and paste the artboard. I'm gonna create a new artboard over here. Just click it and paste it, and it pastes in place just like that. So I'm gonna drag this down over here onto the side, so that will be my switch. Alright, over here. So that's gonna be off. So over here I'm gonna select gray, and this will be the off state, and the fill color will be a bit darker, just like this. So now I want to link this out. So on to my prototype over here, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna select this, drag it onto this section right here, select this icon, drag it onto this icon right over here. So now once I preview, you can see that if I were to click it, the switch happens, but it actually dissolves. So what I want to do is in the transition, I want to say onto the transition, I'm gonna say this is gonna be nothing, none, and over here in this section I'm gonna do none as well. So once I do that and preview that, what will happen is that it actually acts like a switch, as you can see. So I can turn on and off the switch, and that is how you can create a switch inside of Adobe XD. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.